Hey, how y'all doing out there today, man? What's up, world? Hey, look, I'm on the way to the Honey Drizzle 804. They called me up. They want me to test their food out because y'all know I'm the #1 food connoisseur in the world, right? So the only thing is, I'm going to keep it real. It don't matter if you call me or not. If it's a 7 and below, it's unofficial. 8 or better, it's a missile. So let's see what it do. 506 West Broad. Let's see what's up. I got a chicken, a fish, and a grilled chicken. Lordy! Missile!